I just wanted to say hello, and this is my beautiful pod and I love it, and I couldn't recommend taking that time out for you enough. And how do you commit to it? You do what I did, you book it and then you can't cancel. Get that time and protect that time and turn up for it, because what you really want to do is really important, and that will bring you joy and happiness. My cup of coffee and my egg and soldiers, and I'm outside and I feel quite warm because I've got my super big coat on. I've got my pyjamas on underneath and I've no makeup on, and it's just about being free. It has been weird, and what's interesting is I used to do this all the time, but I think the difference is that I've no Wi-Fi and I've no even service, so it is literally on your own. But the first night was a little bit see, I'm even shifting in my seat. It was a little bit uncomfortable. The evenings seemed to drag on, even though I didn't get here till about 2:30. Got to about 6 o'clock and I thought, oh, is it only 6 o'clock? So it was strange because I was just pottering around this kind of beautiful pod by myself, wondering kind of what to do. And so I just went with it. I just swapped from task to task. I wrote things down, I got ideas, I did meditations, I recorded my own hypnotherapy for myself. It was a really stormy night, so it kept me up. But I didn't care because I knew that I could go to sleep anytime I wanted the next day. So it's going great. It's the afternoon of day 2 on Saturday, and what I've discovered is the best way to manage this weekend on your own, if you've got a lot of headspace stuff to do, which can be quite intense, whether that's for relaxation or you're writing or you're doing some work, is to break up those deep thoughts and thinking side of things with practical, like grounding things. The washing up, having a shower, making your breakfast, eating your breakfast, clearing up, saving like the really big long walk for in the afternoon when you feel like you might be going crazy but you need that fresh air. So those are my tips. So it's the last day, the morning, I'm about to set off soon. And just to say that I just had a great time. It's just been so much easier than I thought it would be. I've really got into it, and I'm really happy with what I've achieved while I've been here. I didn't really set any specific goals, and I didn't want to walk away feeling maybe dissatisfied that I'd not reached what I wanted to. Sometimes need to be a little bit more abstract to allow things to flow more creatively and kind of flourish really. Setting off now, so bye for now.